Do you want to learn how to delete your account on BlueSky Social? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So open up your BlueSky Social app or website and log into the account that you want to delete. Now on the left, you will find settings. On the right, go to account, and under account, you'll find delete account button. It's going to give you this pop-up where it says for security reasons, you will send a confirmation code to your email address. Let's click on send email button. Now head over to your email and you're going to find this email from BlueSky account deletion request. Click on it and copy the code that you get in your email. Go back to BlueSky, put it here in the confirmation code field, and below it you need to enter your password as well. Once done, click on this red button which says delete my account, and that's it. Your account is now deleted from BlueSky Social. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.